Zaikova from the laboratory of Stephen Hallam in the Department of Microbiology and Immunology at the University of British Columbia. Today we will show you a procedure for collecting seawater for physical, chemical, and biological analyses. We use this procedure in our laboratory to study oceanographic parameters of marine waters. So let's get started.
First, the number of casts and depths in each cast are assigned. Then, depths to be sampled and the total volume to be collected for the current cast are determined. Ensure that the GoFlow and Niskin water sampling devices are in the open position and that all valves and spigots are closed. Attach the CTD to the base of the line and lower it into the water. For the deepest depth in the profile, rig a sampling device onto the line immediately following the CTD. Make sure that the line is properly fitted into the device bracket and the screws are tightened. Attach a weighted messenger to each device, except for the deepest sampling depth, before lowering it into the water. Lower the line and the distance between the first specified depth and the next. Then rig another sampling device. Note that for depth intervals where large volume water samples are collected, a total of 2x 12-liter bottles are loaded consecutively, approximately 0.75 meters apart. After all the devices are on the line, lower the line to the deepest depth.